Hey everyone, welcome back to Powerful Stoic Habits. Have you ever wished someone would miss you so deeply that you are the first thought in their mind when they wake up and the last one before they fall asleep? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into something special: how to become truly unforgettable using the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. We are not just talking about creating longing, we are talking about transforming yourself into the kind of person whose absence is felt just as powerfully as their presence. As Seneca wisely said, absence sharpens love, presence strengthens it. So let's learn how to sharpen that love to the point where your absence leaves a lasting impact. Before we dive in, here's a little challenge. Drop a comment below with the words, "on their mind tomorrow." It's a simple phrase, but it captures the essence of everything we're about to discuss, and it'll be fun to see how many of you are in on this together. Let's get started with the 10 Stoic strategies that will make your presence felt even when you're not there. Principle 1: Self-sufficiency. You might be wondering, how does being self-sufficient make someone miss me more? Simple: when you are fulfilled on your own, you become more intriguing. Instead of seeking attention or validation, you are busy living your best life, engaged, driven, and complete. That independence, it sparks admiration. It draws people in. When you are not always available, when you are thriving on your own, they start wondering what you are up to. They remember your strength and autonomy, and they miss that confident, radiant version of you. So, embrace your self-sufficiency. It's not about pushing people away. It's about becoming so whole that they can't help but be drawn to your energy even when you are not around. Principle 2: Emotional control. You want them to miss you. Then master your emotions. Think of emotional control as holding the reins of a powerful horse. It allows you to guide your relationships with clarity and grace. When you are calm, composed, and unshaken, especially during tension, it creates mystery and allure. Marcus Aurelius said it best: you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. This strength is unforgettable. It shows depth. It shows maturity. And most importantly, it leaves them curious. When you are composed and thoughtful, your rare moments of affection hit harder and are remembered longer. Control your emotions. Let your mystery speak louder than your reactions. And let your calm be the thing they crave. Principle 3: Intentional communication. A few well-chosen words can echo in someone's mind long after you've gone. This is the art of intentional communication, speaking with purpose, precision, and presence. Seneca once advised, "Speak so that you can speak again." That means leaving them wanting more. More of your insight. More of your presence. When you speak, do it to connect. Not just to fill the silence. Be deliberate. Be meaningful. Be someone whose words are worth remembering. When your words linger in their thoughts, so will you. Principle 4: Acceptance of absence. Here's a twist: by embracing distance, you actually bring someone closer. Real love doesn't require constant proximity. It thrives on respect, trust, and anticipation. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life." When you stop clinging, you allow space for longing. You become the moment they look forward to, not just another part of their routine. Let the silence between you breathe. Let it speak. Let it stir a little mystery. And watch how your absence becomes the very thing that makes them crave your presence. Principle 5. Mindfulness in interaction. Want them to miss you more. Be fully present when you are with them. That means every conversation, every laugh, every glance, give it your full attention. Make it memorable. Make it matter. Marcus Aurelius said, "Do every act of your life as if it were your last." Apply that to your interactions. Be all in. Because when you show up with presence and sincerity, you create emotional imprints that last. And when you are gone, they'll miss the one person who truly saw them. 6. Steadiness in dialogue. How does sustaining a consistent and intentional communication style increase someone's longing for you? It's all about forming a reliable pattern of quality interaction that, when interrupted, makes your absence more sharply noticed. Consistency doesn't mean flooding them with texts constantly. Rather, it's about crafting a sequence of meaningful, dependable conversations, whether it's a morning greeting, a midday update, or a nightly summary of your day. These interactions build a rhythm they grow to treasure. As Seneca said, consistency reflects wisdom in connection. This regular pattern shows you are considerate, dependable, and emotionally invested. Imagine this. Even during life's busier stretches, you still touch base. That steadiness becomes a comforting anchor. When you miss a beat, your absence is instantly noticed, creating a space they're eager to fill. By being regular in your outreach, you intertwine yourself into their daily routine. When you are not there, they yearn for the warmth and reassurance your messages bring. They anticipate your words and feel the void when they don't arrive. So, let's make consistency our signature in communication. Stick with it and watch how they begin to miss you in the quiet gaps your silence creates. Be that reliable presence they think of, not just sometimes, but always. 7. Intentional living. How does living a life filled with direction and meaning make someone miss you more? It's about being a motivated, passionate individual engaged in fulfilling activities. When you live with purpose, you are not just waiting for others to occupy your time, you are actively seizing it. Purpose gives you an alluring edge. It tells them that you have aspirations extending beyond the relationship. You are contributing to the world in a way that is both interesting and admirable. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca remarked, our plans fail because they lack direction. If one doesn't know which harbor to sail to, no wind is favorable. Clear goals make you not only focused but magnetic. Picture this: you discuss your personal projects, volunteer efforts, or creative ventures with passion. Your partner sees your eyes light up. That energy is infectious. When you are not there, they miss the enthusiasm and inspiration you exude. They wonder what stories you'll tell next. Purposeful living means you are constantly evolving, and that makes every interaction with you feel fresh and rewarding. When you are gone, they don't just miss your presence, they miss the vibrant journey you bring with you. So go after your goals with drive. Be a beacon. Show them that you are a person who embraces life and is committed to growth. You'll be remembered not only with love, but with deep respect and admiration. 8. Emotional moderation. How does managing your emotions thoughtfully make someone long for you? It's about cultivating a balanced emotional tone that enhances your relationship's depth. By practicing emotional moderation, you prevent overwhelming your partner with extreme highs or lows. This Stoic mindset lets you respond to relationship challenges with grace and stability, making your emotional presence more intentional and valuable. As Marcus Aurelius wisely put it, The best revenge is to be unlike the one who caused the harm. In relationships, that means responding with calm instead of acting impulsively. Imagine this: you handle disagreements with composure, express affection without smothering, and keep things genuine and measured. That restraint fosters anticipation and appreciation. They'll yearn for the stability your presence brings. Moderation doesn't equate to being distant. It means you are in charge of your emotions, not ruled by them. This composure is deeply attractive, strengthening the foundation of respect and connection. In love, it's often the quiet, calm moments that make the biggest impact. So let's aim to express emotion in a way that is poised yet powerful, ensuring you are remembered as a peaceful, grounding force in their life. 9. Endurance in tough times. How does showing resilience increase someone's longing for you? It proves that you can face life's storms with grit and grace, making you someone they can lean on. Resilience means meeting obstacles head-on and managing them with composure, rather than crumbling. As Seneca said, a gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. Picture this: you go through a rough patch, but keep your cool and tackle problems logically. That not only earns their respect, it builds admiration. When you are apart, they think about your calm strength and miss the sense of security you bring. True resilience isn't just surviving, it's about bouncing back stronger, staying hopeful, and forging ahead. This type of inner strength is incredibly compelling. Even in daily life, say you lose a job or face a family issue, your reaction shows your character. Your partner sees someone who can handle life's weight and still support others. That's powerful. Your optimism in adversity uplifts and inspires, and when you are not there, they miss your positive influence. By becoming someone who rises through challenges, you make yourself irreplaceable, someone whose absence leaves a lasting mark. 10. Steadfast character. How does maintaining a consistent character make someone miss you more? It's about being a trustworthy, unwavering presence, while still keeping a dash of mystery. Consistency in character means you are the same at your core day in, day out. This kind of predictability builds trust and emotional security. As Epictetus said, first, decide who you want to be. Then, do what it takes. That kind of internal alignment reassures your partner they can count on you, no matter what. Imagine being someone who keeps their promises, shows respect, and lives with integrity. That makes you not just dependable, it makes you essential to their emotional world. When you are not there, they miss that solid foundation. But this doesn't mean you can't surprise them. Occasional unexpected moments, like a thoughtful note or impromptu outing, keep things exciting without disrupting the core stability they rely on. By staying true to your principles and blending that with occasional spontaneity, you create the perfect mix of dependable and dynamic. Your absence then isn't just noticed, it's deeply felt. Keeping things engaging and novel by maintaining this equilibrium ensures that your partner anticipates both the reliability you offer and the pleasant surprises you deliver. They long not just for the steadiness, but also for the brief bursts of happiness and excitement you bring into their world. So, let's make steadfast character our base, while occasionally tossing in a spontaneous twist to keep the dynamic vibrant. This harmony will guarantee that you are missed not only for being a pillar in their life, but also eagerly awaited for the joyful, unexpected moments you introduce. And remember, by staying present in their thoughts tomorrow, you are nurturing a bond rooted in dependability, laced with the thrill of surprise. Your partner will value the constancy you represent and look forward to the delightful unpredictability you provide. This blend of trustworthiness and spontaneity makes you irreplaceable, evoking a deep yearning when you are not around. To wrap up, embrace the influence of consistency in character while leaving space for occasional spontaneity. It's this mix that makes you memorable and truly missed. Your partner will treasure the secure base you build and anticipate the unexpected joys you add to their journey. This dynamic ensures you remain a valued and integral part of their life, constantly on their mind. Now, before you leave, don't forget to tap that like button if you found value in the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Join us here at Power Stoic Habits for more insights on how Stoicism can enrich your daily life. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and just type "on their mind tomorrow" to let me know you are ready to be someone who's remembered not just today, but every single day. It's a fun way to show your commitment to these principles, and who knows, maybe your comment will be the first thing someone thinks of tomorrow morning. Your participation helps us grow and connect with more people who can benefit from these timeless Stoic lessons. Plus, it's always inspiring to see who's ready to take action and create lasting change in their relationships. Thanks for watching, everyone. Keep those Stoic values close, maintain your inner strength, and let your character remain unwavering. You won't just be on their mind tomorrow, you'll be there every day after. Remember, the path to being missed is through enriching your own existence and becoming someone truly worth missing. Every principle we've discussed today is a step toward creating deeper, more enduring bonds that withstand the tests of time. Until next time, keep developing the habits that make life truly remarkable. Stay strong, stay grounded, and continue to radiate with that distinct Stoic grace. Your journey to becoming unforgettable starts now. I can't wait to see how you make it a reality. Take care and see you in the next video.